Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2015 Renault Captur, stock number 6773. This ran from the 8th 2014 to 7th 2018. It has an H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the H5F 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory mega tyre. Right rear right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,